Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. A little bit, we'll talk about the situation. I think the situation is still the same as yesterday, although my outlook on what I think is most likely, which is a bearish breakout or a bullish breakout, has kind of changed. All right. Right now, what we're seeing, especially technically, is that we're gaining some bearish momentum here. Now, that's not necessarily the end of the world. I mean, technically, what you can see is that we've broken down below the 28 EMA, obviously, so Wednesday already. But the 50 EMA has also now, even though it has not been respected that much in the last couple of days, has also broken, and it seems that we are respecting that as resistance. So just in general, it's getting a little bit more choppy out there, and Bitcoin itself, I would still say at this moment, it's neutral. All right. So if you just look at the technical structure, purely technically, we're still in this consolidation range. And if you then look at, for example, the open interest for Bitcoin, what you'll see there is that that's still pretty flat. Like there's no real increase nor decrease. We had a bit of a decrease yesterday evening. That is true, and also a bit of a drop earlier this morning. But overall, I would still say it's up there. It's not that low yet, and we've also not seen a huge decrease yet. But it doesn't look bullish either. So if you think that's bearish, then that's I cannot say anything against that, obviously. But no, I mean the situation for Bitcoin right now, I would say it's still technically I would still say, excuse me. It's neutral. However, right now I'm really neutral on whether I expect a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout. Yesterday, I still said that I thought it was most likely we would get up to 53,000 and potentially break out. What's also true is that if you look at where most of the liquidity is at, you'll see that most of the liquidity is to the upside here between 53,500 and 52,000. There's now also quite a lot of liquidity at 50,600, but that's also still technically our support level. So at this moment, I'll still say that we might spike down a bit lower, but that from that spike and from that support, we will be able to get up to our main resistance levels at 52,500 and 53,000. But I would not place a trade on this. I would not buy this because I think at this moment, the risk of having a potential bearish breakout down to 49,200 and 48,000, our main support level, I think the risk right now is the highest it's been since getting up to this level. And I wanted to talk about something else as well, but I kind of forgot about it, which is not ideal. but no, I think we covered everything. No. What I wanted to say is that right now in general the market feels a little bit weaker. You can also see the total 3 right here. Is going down a bit. Altcoins are suffering after the bullish momentum we had yesterday morning with the AI cryptos, etc. So that seems to be depleting just in general. You can also see the Bitcoin dominance is going up a little bit, not too much, but still, those are all signs of weakness. And if there's weakness in the markets, Bitcoin will probably still hold up fine, but it's not. The chance of a major bullish breakout is getting less likely. So yeah, I think that's what you need to know. A little bit of a shorter video. I don't think that there's any. It's Friday, of course. I mean, Fridays are always quite volatile. So a lot could happen today. I expect more volatility. I believe, but I could be wrong on this. So we'll check it out. Now the volume is still fine at this moment. The volume is down a bit. The volume is already dropping. So that means that volume that gets into the markets will affect the market more. So I do think we'll see some bigger moves today, but for now I still think that on the short term at least is more likely to be bullish. All right. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think for now. If you do have any questions, obviously let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you on my next videos. Bye.